we'll guide you through how to configure WooCommerce shipping. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to WooCommerce settings. From there, click on the Shipping tab at the top. Here, you can set up shipping zones by clicking Add Shipping Zone. Enter a zone name and select the regions you want this zone to cover. Once you've done that, click Add Shipping Method to choose how you want to charge for shipping within this zone. You can select from options like flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup. If you choose flat rate, click Edit to enter the cost you want to charge. You can also add a handling fee if needed. For more detailed control, click on the Shipping Classes link. This lets you group products with similar shipping requirements. After setting up your shipping classes, go back to the shipping zones and assign these classes to specific methods. This is useful if you have products that require special handling or shipping rates. Make sure to save your changes after each step. Additionally, under the Shipping Options tab, you can configure how to display shipping options to your customers at checkout and whether to require a shipping address. This allows you to tailor the checkout experience to your business needs. Finally, test your shipping setup by adding products to your cart and proceeding to checkout to ensure everything works as expected. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.